Morning. It is Sunday the 8th of March at about 10 to 5 in the morning. It's time for us to get up, get ready and start getting prepared to go to the airport. Orlando's just woken up, which means he's now not going to sleep on the plane. So I'll see you in a short bit once we're all ready and about to leave the house. Disney! You can't see him, but he does look excited, I promise. This is what happens when you've got a husband that has a bladder of a 3-year-old. We are now at Cobham Services because someone decided to not go for a wee before we left. So, me and Orlando are just chilling in the car, waiting for him. What's the bet he comes back with the McDonald's? Bag number 2. Enjoying your croissant? Getting in the French mood. Ooh la la.
Will you be doing that the whole time?
We've been sat on the plane for half an hour and we've yet to move. Oh. No, I think that was wind. It's time to take off though. It's time to take off. The plane, free security, free bag check. It is windy as. Hope we found the Magical Express. So after a very stressful check-in, we worked out that Dan's a moody F-U-C-K because he's hungry. So we're gonna go get him some food, even though we've got a dinner reservation at 5:30. But apart from that, we're just walking into the park now. So we'll see you in there. Home sweet home. Thank you so much. Moment of truth. He's falling asleep. Absolutely taking it down. It is raining out today. still raining. I've just watched a master puzzle. Orlando's still asleep. And so far we've just eaten crisps. Apart from that, it's going well. I need to cut this label out. Very annoying. We got bored of Orlando sleeping, so we woke him up to go on It's a Small World. Wake up! Up, so we're gonna make him go. He's in the queue for Dumbo with Orlando. I said I'm gonna get the pram because we're about to have our dining reservation. So yeah, it's been successful. We've been on 3 rides in 15 minutes. Looks like I'm gonna have to buy a new nappy bag. The straps just broke. That lasted a whole hour. Having a full-on proud dad moment. Okay, look at him, he's in the orange one. Hiya! Oh, bless him. My heart melts. And it's absolutely about to tip it down. Got a new bag. Dan's styling it very well. Time for Haunted Mansion. Sorry, Phantom Manor. And baby is awake to witness it. We're down the arcade now. We're giving the fireworks a miss because we decided to focus on rides tonight while it was nice and quiet. Did you have a good day, Dan?
Yes.
Oh, look at you. You make a pretty girl. Currently 10 o'clock on Sunday.
10 o'clock on a Sunday?
Yes, thank you, Daniel, for that. We have been awake since 4 a.m. Orlando thinks it's playtime.
Double ARD, aren't we? Big boy. Double ARD, yeah?
I think it's sleep time, so...
We're in Orlando.
They're going to go hit the town. I'm going to go for a nap. See you all in the morning.